The travel industry is constantly transforming. Travelers no longer accept one-size-fits-all. They crave personalized experiences that are tailored to their preferences. Sabre Red 360 is a complete and connected booking tool that helps travel agents satisfy traveler expectations with tailored offers, responsive answers, and reliable service. Different by design, Sabre Red 360 offers intuitive workflows that make it easy for agents of any skill level to book and service travel across a broad range of content, including airline, lodging, car, and more. Enable agents to work up to 25% faster and reduce training time by 50% with the flexibility to use both graphical and command-based workflows. Provide end-to-end travel recommendations with time-saving features like command shortcuts and easy-to-use graphical workflows. Seamless integration of bookable content and data-rich information allows agents to quickly access key information, including fare rules, seat maps, and side-by-side comparisons. Unlock the content you need in one experience. Normalization of content within the shopping results makes it easy to compare offers across different sources. View at-a-glance descriptive information and rich imagery, along with pre-populated data and tooltips, all integrated into smart workflows travel agents love. From airfare to lodging and beyond, imagine being able to deliver more options from more sources, save time, and deliver the high-quality end-to-end booking and servicing experience travelers expect. It's all possible with Sabre Red 360. Today, technology plays a crucial role in helping travel agencies achieve seamless operations and improve the customer experience. Unlock a full spectrum of travel content and insightful information easily with Sabre Red 360, the future of travel booking redefined.